While a gunshot residue expert took the stand late in the day and took the spotlight over much of the testimony, much of the day focused on Alex Murdaugh's former law firm, the chief financial officer, and one of his former partners taking the stand to talk about the extent of Alex's alleged crimes.
Didn't think this would be that hard.
Ronnie Crosby was talking about Paul, who called him Uncle Ronnie. Crosby also detailed Alex's alibi, which matched what he told investigators the first time about him having dinner with Maggie and Paul, taking a nap, going to see his mother, and coming back to discover his wife and son murdered. He also talked about the financial schemes that Alex was involved in, how he didn't believe it until the information was in front of him, and it was almost too much for him to bear.
I'd sat for a minute and reviewed it. I think Danny said, "You're going to need a drink." And so...
Did you have a drink?
Yeah, ultimately more than one.
The Barker Law Group Chief Financial Officer Jeannie Seckinger also took the stand. She's the person that confronted Alec after finding missing legal fees that were supposed to go to the firm. One of those confrontations happened the morning of the murders. Prosecutors went one by one through the dozens of clients that he allegedly stole from, using the fake Forge account to make it look like his fees were going to the company, instead going directly to a bank account in Alex's name. Seckinger says it was a crushing moment when she found out the truth.
As everyone came out, I started noticing it more and more, and the sickest feeling you could feel in the world. I knew that he was stealing all this money. I think Alec was successful more, not from his work ethic, but from his ability to establish relationships and to manipulate people into settlements and clients into liking him. So he did it through the art of bullshit, basically.
Did you really know Alex Murdaugh?
I don't think I ever really knew him. I don't think anybody knows him.
And when he was confronted, Alec told the partners he knew he would get caught. In all, the law firm has paid back almost $5 million to clients that Alec allegedly stole from. Today, gunshot residue expert says she found a total of 38 traces of GSR inside the blue raincoat found at Alex's mom's house. She says that was a significant amount.
How long would you expect that gunshot primer residue to stay on there?
Until it's actively removed. Brushing it, like aggressively brushing it off, washing it in a washing machine, cleaned, hosed off, something like that.
If a recently fired firearm was wrapped up inside that jacket, would that be consistent with your findings?
There is a possibility of that, yes, sir.
She will return to the stand tomorrow as the defense gets their chance to cross-examine her about that information and how they say doesn't connect Alec to the crime. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.